You've never had zucchini prepared like this before. It's delicious and very juicy. Start by taking 2 fresh zucchinis and washing them thoroughly. Then, pat them dry. Use a fork to create decorative lines on the zucchini by pressing the fork into the skin and dragging it down, adding an artistic touch to the dish. Slice them and neatly arrange them on a cutting board. Generously season both sides with salt and pepper. In a medium bowl, crack 3 eggs and whisk them lightly. Then, add a pinch of salt, pepper, paprika, and basil. To the egg mixture, add 3 tablespoons of potato starch and 4 tablespoons of sour cream. Whisk vigorously until you have a smooth, creamy batter. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Prepare a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Dip each zucchini slice first in flour, then in the egg batter, and place them on the baking tray. Bake the slices in the oven for 20 minutes until they become golden and crispy. Meanwhile, dice a ripe tomato and place it in a bowl. After the initial baking time, take the tray out of the oven and top each zucchini slice with diced tomatoes and your favorite shredded cheese. Put the tray back in the oven for an additional 10 minutes, allowing the cheese to melt and the flavors to blend beautifully. Once removed, the zucchini is ready to serve. It's delicious, and the toppings enhance its flavor. It works perfectly as a main dish or a snack.